Okay, let's get started with the setup. I'm in my AWS EC2 console. Let's do launch instance, Ubuntu server. I'm selecting memory optimized R3 extra large. I'm going to select 3 instances. And select an existing group. I already have a key pair set up. Let's rename them Redis C1, Node 1, C1, Node 2, and C1, C3, Node 3. Let's call this C2. Let's make a note of all these IP addresses because we are going to need them all. Let's verify them. Okay, now we need to log into our instances. We need to download and extract Redis on all 3 instances. So that's what I'm going to do next. Now we need to build it, and we need to download some build essential things. Installing make. Need to install GCC. Later on we'll be installing Ruby as well. This takes a minute. Might edit the video. Now we are going to install some libraries for C functions and then run make test. After this, we need to actually configure the redis.conf, which basically takes care of the cluster setup. Okay, set up the redis.conf. The IP address I'm taking is from here, 172.31.41.168. Oh, it was hyphen. We need to do this on all 3 of our nodes. Okay. Now we need to start Redis on all 3 nodes. 2, 3. Now I'm going to add another tab to it, add another tab to it, add another tab to this one too, and log into SSH to our things. Okay, this one is different. Let's use this one. Good. Now we need to install Ruby and Ruby gems for Redis. See, now if you notice, this command fails right here, and we are going to run this thing again. It says cannot check signature, public key not found. And let's run that command back again. So now the output is looking better. Now this one installs Redis gem. And finally, we are ready to create our cluster. And we are going to need this IP addresses. This one was 67 and this one was 66, right? Yes. This one needs to be run on only one node. We're going to do it on the master node, and I think we are all set. Our cluster is set up. Now we need to test the cluster. If you notice these hash slots, they are different on 3 clusters, and that's all we are looking for. Now there are some benchmarks which are even amazing. Let's see. We need to make sure that we are using the right IP addresses all the time. So now these are the keys that is getting inserted into our Redis clusters. So we are going to go here and check if we can see some keys that is getting inserted from here. So this one has 67 keys, this one will have 67, and this one will have 67. We can type keys star to give us all the keys, and this node has 67 keys, right, and it is already going on. So see, now it has 108. I'm going to stop this one right here, And see, we have inserted about 375 keys, so which are equally divided into about 125 keys in all the three nodes. See, this one has 119 keys. And let's see. And if we try to get something that is not here, let's say foo1, which probably is not here, and it's going to give us which cluster it is on. That is on 166. So this one is 166, and we can go here and check. See, now we have our key. Right now we have to check manually, but on the if you are using a Java client, all this happens automatically. You don't have to check each cluster where your key is. It will automatically retrieve the key for you. And this is about it. We have set up a 3-node cluster. Thank you very much.